Here we have a 1934 Ford Model A Coupe with original flathead V8 in it. It's in the process of being meticulously restored back to the original condition. Beautiful restoration project here. The customer wanted an original exhaust system as close as we could get it, so we tried to follow all the original pipes, how they could come through the frame. It's tucked up there nice and tight, keep the muffler tucked up in the frame. They had some pipes that they had bought offline. They didn't come close to fitting at all, so we just had to scrap those and remake the whole thing to get it to go around the starter heat shield, and remake the whole Y pipe. It doesn't run, so we don't know what it sounds like, but it should sound nice and quiet like they did back then. Might get an aftershot when the customer gets it all done, but it's a very nice restoration project. Show you what we do here. We don't just do all hot rods. If they want it all original, we can do that too. We'll just do a little outside walk around. Like I said, the car's going to be an original restoration. It's going to be a beautiful car when it's all done. It's a work in progress, as you can see. They're doing a very nice job trying to keep it all original. So we get a lot of cars and trucks need original type exhaust. We do that too, not just a hot rod, make it loud kind of stuff. Just to show you how tight things really were back in 1934. They crossed it underneath the oil pan there in the front, and then had a starter and a manifold shield there, and crossed over into one pipe, 2 to 1, back through the frame, kind of tucked it in there nice and tight. Didn't give you a lot of wiggle room, but if you need some restoration on your old hot rod or restored vehicle, the original, we can handle it. Been here 30 years plus. We're your guys. Give us a call.